So there's area approximation from 4. So under this we are going to tackle trapezium rule, mid-ordinate rule, and the exact area. That's area by integration. So the first question is that you have been told to complete the table below for the function y is equal to 2x squared plus 5x plus 6. For the range, x is from -3 to 5. So that's very simple. What you do, you just substitute. So here we have x is -3. So what you do, you just substitute this value here in this function. Then -2 in the function, unaandika. Then -1 in the function, you write it down here, up to 5. So the first one, for example, if you substitute, you are going to have 2 into -3 squared plus 5 into -3, then plus 6. So for example, under -3 we have 9. That's 9. Then if you do the same, you are going to get here 4, then here 3, then here 6, then here 13, then here 24, then here 39, then here 58, then here 81. So that's what you are going to have filling the table. Then next, using the values in the table, estimate. Using the values in the table, estimate the area bounded by the curve y is equal to 2x squared plus 5x plus 6, and the lines x equal to -3 and x equal to 5 and y is equal to 0 by trapezium rule with 8 strips. Then Roman 2, mid-ordinate rule with 4 strips. Then part C, calculate the exact area bounded by the curve y is equal to 2x squared plus 5x plus 6, and the lines x equal to -3, x equal to 5 and y is equal to 0. So beginning with the first one, the trapezium rule with 8 strips. So we have 8 strips here. So this is what you are going to do. So you are going to start by getting height. So height will be x2 minus x1 divided by number of strips. So x2 in our case is 5, then x1 is -3. So we are going to have 5 minus -3 over 8. So this is giving us 1. That is our height. Then remember the formula for getting area. So you can come here so that you have the y1. So from the table, y1, from the table you can have y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6, y7, y8 and y9. So area is normally given by a half h into y1 plus y0. So y1 is 9, the first y here, then y0 is the last y, then plus 2 into y2 plus y3 plus y4 plus y5 plus y6 plus y7 plus y8. So the rest of the y's, so we are having y1, y2, the remaining y is 2 into y2 plus y3 plus y4 plus y5 plus y6 plus y7 plus y8 plus y9, plus y8. So the y9 is the y0 here, the last y is the y0, then y1 is the first y. So we are going to have a half multiplied by 1 into y1, which is 9, plus the last y, that is 81, then plus 2 into the rest of the y's, 4 plus 3 plus 6 plus 13 plus 24 plus 39 plus 58 plus 58. So a half times 1, that is 0.5 still. So you work out 9 plus 81, that is 90, then plus. So you are going to work out this one here, the whole of this. So the whole of this, 4 plus 3 plus 6 plus 13 plus 24 plus 39 plus 58 times 2. You are going to get 294. That is 294. So this one is going to give us 0.5 into 90 plus 294, that is 384. That is 192 square units. 192 square units. Then mid-ordinate rule. So under mid-ordinate rule, you have been told to use 4 strips. So you have been told to use 4 strips. So 4 strips here. So 4 strips, you are going to start by getting the height. So height is also given by x2 minus x1 divided by number of strips. So x2 is 5, x1 is 3 over 4. This one is giving us 2. So meaning our range. So it is area between x is -3 and x is 5. So the range here. And our height is 2. So meaning we are going to begin from -3. So we are beginning from -3 here. So from -3 plus 2, you have -1. So -3 plus 2 from here. So the range, so it is between x is equal to -3 and x equal to 5. So our height will help us to write down the range. So it is from -3. So -3 plus height, you get -1. So from -3 move to -1. -1 plus 2, you get 1. Then 1 plus 2, you get 3. And 3 plus 2, you get 5. So it is up to 5. So here, so if you go back there, if you go back here, you are going to have from -3, then -1, then we have 3, then we have 1, then we have 5. So 4 strips. So we have -3, negative 2 because this range. So negative 3 plus 2, which is our height here. So negative 3 plus 2, you get negative 1. Negative 1 plus 2, you get 1. 1 plus 2, you get 3. 3 plus 2, you get 5. Then from there, you write down the mids. So the mid from here to here, we have the mid of, so we have the mid of negative 2, because we are using mid-ordinate, so we have the mid of negative 2. Then from here to here, we have the mid of 0. Then from here to here, we have the mid of 2. Then from here to here, we have the mid of 4. So meaning these are the values which we are going to use to estimate our area under mid-ordinate rule. So after getting the range, you now start by looking at the mid. So between negative 3 and negative 1, we have negative 2. Between this and this, we have 0. Between this and this, we have 2. Between this and this, we have 4. So meaning our y1 will be 4 here. y1. So y1 is equal to 4. y2, so y1 will be 4. y2 will be 6. y3 will be 24. Then y4 will be 58. So y1, as you can see, our y1 here, our y1 for mid-ordinate rule will be 4. Then y2 will be 6. Then y3 will be 24. Then y4 will be 58. So that now if we come back down here, we just have our formula. Area is equal to h into y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4. So our height was 2 into 4 plus 6 plus 24 plus 58 plus 58. So if you work out this one here, so 6 plus 24, that is 30. That is 30. 30 plus 34, that is 34. That is 34. Then 34 plus 58, that is 92. 92 times 2, that is 184. So we are going to have 184 square units. 184 square units. Then lastly, you have been told to calculate the area, calculate the exact area bounded by the curve y is equal to 2x squared plus 5x plus 6 and the lines x equal to negative 3 and x equal to 5 and y is equal to 0. So meaning the range is still from x is equal to negative 3 and x equal to 5. So this one will not affect anything. Y is equal to 0 will not affect the solution. So these are our integrals. So we are going to integrate. So exact area is integration. So exact area, this one is area by integration. Area by integration. So we are going to integrate from negative 3 to 5. Then we are integrating this one, 2x squared plus 5x plus 6. Then we have dx. So if we integrate 2x squared, you are going to get 2x cubed over 3. 2x cubed over 3. That is what you are going to get. You are going to get 2x cubed over 3. Then plus 5x integrated, we are going to get 5x squared over 2, then plus 6x. If you integrate 6, you get 6x. Then you have such type of a bracket. Then it is range from -3 to 5. -3 to 5. It's -3 to +5. So that now you are going to subtract. You are going to subtract 5. So if you compare 5 and -3, 5 is bigger than -3. So we subtract 5 substituted here minus -3 substituted here. So we are going to have 2 into 5 cubed over 3 plus 5 into 5 squared over 2 plus 6 into 5 minus 2 into -3 cubed over 3 plus 5 into -3 squared over 2 plus 6 into -3. So if you work out this one, you're going to get your answer. So if you work out the first one, this one here, from here to here, you're going to get 175 and 5/6. Then we are going to subtract this other one. If you work it out, you're going to get -13 and a half. -13 and a half. So this one, a negative, we are going to have 175 and 5/6 plus 13 and a half. This one should be giving you 189 and a third square units. So that is what we have. So ensure area by integration, that is the exact area bounded by the curve. So this area should not be given in decimal. So you should just write the exact area which you have gotten there. Like for example, 189 and a third. If you write 189.3, you will be wrong. 189.33. That is not exact. So that is wrong. So you just write the exact area 189 and a third. That's what you are required to write. So area by integration, that's the exact area bounded by the curve. So thank you. I hope you have understood and you have seen through my video. Thank you, and please subscribe down there.